Here's a couple tips and tricks to help you succeed with your new venture sharpener. Number 1, the breaking period. The diamond count is going to vary naturally from stone to stone, so it's going to be nice to have a breaking period. You can either use an old knife that you don't really care about, or protect the finish on a knife that you do. Number 2, protecting the finish. So if you do have a knife that you care about and you want to protect the finish, a good way to do that is just by using a little bit of painter's tape to cover up the body of that knife there. You'll want to do something like this. A lot of different people have preferences on how the knife guide feels as it slides back and forth. If you like a smoother feel, we recommend just putting a little bit of oil down the rail. You can use 3-in-1, WD-40, mineral oil, and even in a pinch you can throw on some olive oil. Tip number 4, washing your stone. You can either use water dish soap, or Windex works really great on this too. To avoid rusting, just let it air dry or blot dry. And then tip number 5, be patient. The technique for sharpening your knife is going to feel a little odd at first, so just take your time. You will develop your technique. Don't worry about it. I'll see you in the next one.